Huge Jordan release day. Bunch of stores opened up early. Foot Locker opened up early. I know Shoe Palace opened up early. I thought JD Sports would open up early. Lately, they've been open up early. Chic also doing first come, first serve. JD usually gets extra pairs. That's why there's a bunch of people in line right here. But yeah, the resellers out and about. Shoe Palace, you can see he has Shoe Palace bags right there because they already opened up. If you really wanted these, hopefully you guys did research before and you knew which shops were going to open up early. I heard there were a few Foot Lockers that did get extra pairs and they handed theirs out early. And I'm pretty sure that's why this location opened up early. But yeah, the Jordan releases here still got plenty of releases. We'll definitely look at the Gammas today. I'm not really getting them myself, but we'll take a look at them for you guys. And of course, I am looking for steals and deals, seeing if any great deals are out and about. Kind of surprised these haven't sold out, but I guess books just not super popular. But these are pretty dope. Patent leather, glow in the dark material on the bottom. Got all these. Is that etched on? I don't know. I don't know, but pretty freaking dope. And yeah, what are these going for? These are going for $155. Even in their sale section, do we have anything crazy? I don't see anything crazy. This is the men's section right here. Was this the one that we saw at Ross recently? But obviously sizing an issue when you find them at those discount spots. P6000s right here. Crazy light. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. Like, they're so freaking light. Obviously, those comfy shoes are different than for style. Like, look at this. Like, this is a women's. Or is it a grade school? It is a size 4. I think technically it's a grade school because it is men's sizing. It is a men's 4. But yeah, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen. Those bad boys right there. But I said nothing too crazy. The AE2s, they got multiple colorways of AE2s. 3 different colorways that did release. $130 for these. I don't know, I'm just not a huge fan of these bad boys right here. And the MB, what are these, the 5s? The MB5s, I still don't understand who they're trying to sell these to. I don't know who, like what, these are men's sizes, so like, I don't know how many dudes are trying to buy that, like really? I don't know. They are back with the Barclays. One of the OG colorways right here, $170 for the Barclays. They released these like hella limited a couple years ago, and then now I guess they're doing a mass release, I guess. Because that is what Nike does. Got some regular dunks right here. Materials are getting so much better on these regular dunks. $120. They're finally giving us some good material. I might have to grab one of these, maybe at the outlets for my kiddo. He does like the dunks. This is what everybody's going crazy for. These are pretty dope. Does have the ballistic nylon. Does have the patent leather. Does have the Jumpman Jordan sign right there with the Jumpman logo in, what is that, teal, aqua? I don't know, but these are pretty dope. Not getting these at all. Number one, money is tight. Just spent a ton on my kid's birthday presents, and then I have to get him a Christmas present, which might be a car and stuff. But yeah, do got these as well. I'm wearing my cap and gowns right now. They're similar enough. This one does have, I think it's buck leather or suede, but yeah, it has different leather up top instead of the ballistic nylon. It does have the smoke exterior. It looks pretty similar from afar. And I appreciate the workers for just letting me show these at least, because I'm not grabbing them. There's a big old line. And my favorite thing about Chic, still got 25% off, which is freaking crazy. 25% off anything with the blue tag, so 25% off anything that's already discounted. And this Northridge location, I swear this is my favorite location, because look, they still got these. The Air More Up-Tempos. And this is a 9.5 Air More Up-Tempo lows. Right here and there, got them on sale. I'm not the biggest fan of this colorway though. If you're like a Kentucky fan, or if you're a Colts fan or something, this probably is perfect, but I'm not really, I don't know, the white and blue, not the biggest fan, but $130. This goes under $100 after that 25% off, or might be right around $100. I don't know. They still got the Volt colorway and the Chicago colorway right here on sale. This makes it close to $100 after that 25% off. These are the Air Max Uptempo, aka Uptempo 95s. They got the old school diamond turfs. I used to love these when I was a kid. This one and this one. This is the Phillies colorway, and this is, oh, that's the blue one right here. This one just came out, huh? Oh, I think this came off. Hold on. Let me help them out a little bit. All right, so yeah, they always come off. Dang it. This one's already on sale right here. And the freshwater colorway, this just did return. Remember how these released during COVID? I was able to help one of the homegirls grab one. But yeah, $180 for these. They were so tough to get. People were selling these for over $300, I remember. And I gave one to someone for retail because, yeah, you know, you gotta help your peoples, you know. Zoom Freaks going for outlet like prices right here. Then of course, plenty of Forces, plenty of Dunks, plenty on sale too. Got all kinds of them on sale. The Air Max 90 selection right there, the Rejuvenate selections on the bottom. For some reason, this one, it looks like some bougie person would be wearing this one. I don't know why. Air Max ones right here, $60 freaking dollars. There's the Air Max 90 right here. I've never seen this one. It's really weird with the materials. The bottom portion, or the midsole, actually looks like it's made out of wood. Definitely interesting. Got tons of suede. And what is that? What is that material right there? I don't know. It's hella soft. Super soft knit material. Do got these right here. Look, close to $100. This is size 11.5, not my size, on display, but like that's pretty freaking dope. And then Vomeros, look at this one. These ain't Vomeros, P6000, but look at these Vomeros, $80. That drops these down to 60 freaking bucks. This is such a fire colorway right here too. See a size 10 on display. Also see these right here. This is under $60, and this matches with plenty of stuff. You can match it with gray, you can match it with white, you can match it with that like brownish color, tannish color. This one like a little bit tougher to match. But yeah, they got plenty of Vomeros for way cheap, man. Cheaper than the outlets. Still got a huge freaking line outside. I don't think they got as many sizes of these Gammas. People were talking about, oh, there's 1 million pairs. People were talking about that on social media. I don't think that's the case. And that's why it's tough to believe social media about everything. Got the Taxi 11s. They got the Pure Money 3s. They got the French Brule 11s up there. They got those suede 3s as well. I was like, what's that doing right there? What is that? I think someone accidentally put that up there. And then still got a few ones. This one's from like 1.5 years ago. Get it for way cheap. That is hella cheap, especially if you like ones, or if you like suede, or if you like blue. Looks like all the other ones finally sold out. Oh, they do got these on sale right here, and then you get that additional 25 off, which is pretty freaking dope. I love the material on these bad boys. I forgot I'm covering the Gammas, dude. Forgot the covering the Gamma releases. I got so wrapped up. And as mentioned, they did get extra pairs. They only have grade school left now. And I've showed videos of me going to the mall the day before. I think I did that with the Black Cats. I think I did that with the Black Cat 4s, just in case. That's what you need to do if you really want a pair of these super hyped items. I usually check StockX to see how much they're going for on the night of release, or the night before the release, just to see how much demand is there's going to be. If there's like at least $50, $100 higher than retail, usually the resellers are out and about. And whether you like it or not, that's kind of what makes it tough to get a lot of these. The hype builds the resale, then the resale builds the hype, and then, you know, it kind of all goes together. Some Huarache trainers that I've never seen. Got 2 different colorways now. The freshwater colorway here too now, so it does look like it's a big GR for those. And look, they do got these on sale. Damn, dude. JD Sports has been like the slowest on sales. Now they're ramping them up, I guess. Playing some old school music. Take it to the house. Holy crap, I haven't heard that in forever. This is their sales section right here. Their last chance section, whatever the hell you call it. Not really seen much. I'm still waiting for these to go down because I like these. I do like them. They look like regular price here. Freaking $80 cheaper up top. Do have more colorways though. If you're balling and you know you just want a big selection, they definitely have a big selection here. All those Vomero pluses. Got some regular Vomero 18s down here. Do see a lot of red tags plenty of red tags, but I guess some of the prices are going down a little bit because 120, not too bad for these. These are the TL shocks right here. I think these are my favorite shocks. And even checking the kids and women's, nah, not much. I did gloss by these. I forgot to show you guys these. The Evo SLs, only $20 off. They do have full family or full sizing, but at least they're on sale. That's a start. I don't know. Got a couple more stores left. Looks like they even got pairs through Flex. This is a preschool pair right here. And they got matching hats and stuff. That's kind of cool. Oh, they did. They released matching apparel. I don't really match apparel and stuff like that, but this ain't bad. T-shirts, $40 for these. There's a phone number on it. Got long sleeve, got hoodies, $75 for the hoodies. It's actually pretty dope. Hoodies and sweats already 25% off because looks like it's 25% off all fleece here. That's pretty crazy. On release day? Yeah, people are picking up their Flex raffle pairs. Is that what they call it? Whatever. Wins through the Flex app. Usually 5 o'clock is pickup for leftover pairs. So yeah, they got some New Balance right here. Speaking of Evos, they got the blue ones right here. Blue and white ones, that is. Some 480s, 740s. That's actually hella cheap. That might be cheaper than the outlets. 2002 Rs going for 80. That's not too bad. Chucks, $30. Super thick midsole. That is the sales section. Not too crazy. And then the kids and women's section. Nothing standing out too much. Oh wait, these ain't bad. $40 for these. I paid $35, but I also have to drive really far to the New Balance outlet. That's not bad. Size 7 right here. Size 7 women's. New colorway of the Jaw 3s. And I did see someone comment in the comment section that haven't seen these at the outlets. They're new. They are new, but we are seeing them sell out in store. Whenever we see a few different colorways, we are starting to see them sell out. So these do seem pretty popular. They do look dope, dude. They look way better than any of the other Jaws that have been around. That actually looks like legit. How much are they? 125 for the Jaw 3s. They got all the South Park. I really like these South Park ones. I don't know, I grew up with this. You know, but like they never have price tags on them though. But yeah, they got the Cartman one in here. I kind of like the Cartman one the best because it has this thing on it. But yeah, I think they're like $70-ish, something like that. The towel ones, not bad. Y'all ain't gonna be seeing me wear Crocs, but they don't look bad. Wasn't this in the sales section over there? I guess they got multiple sizes. I guess they threw it over there because it's so cheap. Grade school section right here. We got Vomeros for grade school, so if your girl wears a smaller size, not bad. The retail on these is $122 for grade school. It's a interesting price. These 6000s go for 40. Won't really like shoes, and slowly I'm realizing these are starting to sell out. These are starting to sell out. I did grab mine at the outlets. I got hella lucky. Grabbed mine for under $100, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, that's the grade school section right here for Nike at New Balance, and looks like everything else over there. Oh, but in men's, I guess they still have plenty left. Maybe they're not selling out. I don't know, I'm tripping. They must have got a lot of pairs. 10, 45, and there's still a line here. Wow. I guess these haven't sold out of them. My bad, I'm tripping, damn. Wait, 25% off all these. Look at this colorway right here. Wow, that's like under $50. Under $50. That's the cheapest we've seen for those. And they do got the Kobe's right here. Did I walk right past these, or did they just bring these out? They do got the Kobe's right here. Which Kobe's are these? I don't know what Kobe's these are. But yeah, these weren't out here before. They just brought them out, it looks like. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what Kobe 90s are. I have not been paying attention to the releases, but they do got them. But all of a sudden, people aren't hyped about Kobe's no more, which is crazy. Look at this. What the hell? Look at this. What the hell is this? I don't know what character this is. I know this is one of the SpongeBob characters, but do got a few of these. $80. That's how much the licensed ones are go for. What's up with this? Look, $20. 25% off. These gonna be 15 freaking bucks. Holy cow! What size is this? Size 8 men's. And what is this one? What the hell is this? Is this from some anime or something? Oh, it's from the movie It. They got these for $80. The licensed ones are crazy expensive now. I'm seeing if one of my nephews needs these. 15 bucks. 15 bucks. That's crazy cheap. The Simpsons one's also on sale, so $45 for these. You actually get all the gibbets and stuff, which is kind of cool. And they also got a bunch of grade school ones on sale right here as well. They got a Disney one for $35. They got the Pokemon one for $40. Still think they got the lowest prices out of most spots. All right, let's go check out. I think we got one more store. Trying to release this short for you guys, and they're lagging. They're lagging. Damn, people are waiting here. I think pickup time is at 12:30. 12:30. So there's already a line for the 12:30 people. Damn, dude, that's crazy. And it's 11 right now, so yeah, they're waiting like an hour and a half and change or whatever. Damn. I'm telling you, it's competitive. That's why you got to be out and about. Not worth it for most people, but it is worth it for some. Yeah, fools are out and about all morning. Get like 3 pairs. They probably make like $300. That's pretty much the reason why they do it. Do got these bad boys right here, $69.99, so $70 for the Hydros that do match the Gamma 11s. Do got 5s, 12s, and 12s. Still got these, they're still not on sale. Still not on sale. I got mine for, I think like $100, something like that at the outlets a while back. And I was wrong on these. I thought they were sold out at most spots. Maybe not. Maybe not. $145. They do have a sale section for the Jordans right here, including those bad boys right there. Then they do got these Hydros right here, $50 and $50 for these. So slight sale, slight sale. These are the Bread 4 reimagined, or yeah, the Jordan 4 Bread reimagined Hydros. $60 for these. I picked up a pair of these for like 30 something. I'm just reminiscing on all my crazy finds. For Crocs, it looks like they have a Stranger Things collab now. They got licenses with everybody. Holy crap, there, dude. Okay, they got the SpongeBob ones with the arms. They do have a sale section with the Nikes. This is all men's stuff right here. I don't think I've noticed these right here. Camo, black, and gum for the Forces, $90, $120, or $60 for these. Nike, what is the Big Lows or something? Yeah, the Big Lows, $60. MX95 Big Bubbles right here, $100. Dunks. And 2 other Kobe 9s. This one just came out. All these Kobe's, and I don't even know when they're releasing and stuff. Traction on these look amazing. Look amazing. $220 for those bad boys. Are we gonna start seeing Kobe's at the outlets again, just like we did before he passed? Remember Jordan 4s, Jordan 5s used to sit. Man, music is loud. Music is loud. I gotta head out, dude. I gotta head out.